been so bad this morning. He chewed up my Rare Beauty eyebrow gel. Did you do this? And now he wants to go on a walk. And he didn't pee on his pee pads. He peed a little bit off of them. He's just a girl.
You're just trying to put it on.
We are going to breakfast right now. This is my outfit. I'm wearing this
so excited.
Long sleeve Skims.
I'm excited.
I just got these jeans from PacSun. Sis, do you like my jeans?
I was gonna compliment them.
So cute.
And I'm just wearing my Adidas. This is a crime.
Yeah, this is
a crime.
It's okay, guys. I only do it at home.
I wanted to show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's, and we went to Costco. We got 2 loaves of sourdough bread because it was so cheap. I think I'm gonna give one to my sister. We got Manuka honey. We got some granola, coconut flakes, and then these okra chips. I've never had okra, but I heard it's really good. I don't know, Sean said. And then these like healthier hot Cheetos, not hot Cheetos, cheese Cheetos. Croissants, this plain yogurt, shrooms. I've been really craving cuties and oranges, so we got some of that. Carrots, broccoli, asparagus. They're so good. I got these at Costco. And then I feel like Trader Joe's has the best like frozen food section, so we got this mushroom medley, these roasted vegetables. I don't know what that is. I think Sean got that, but it looks good. Scallion pancake, mushroom risotto, these green beans, and then this smoothie thing. We're cooking tonight. Woo! I'm gonna make these garlic green beans that we got from Trader Joe's with some mushrooms on the side. Chili.
I'm going to a premiere. I'm really excited.
So today's Saturday. I was gonna do my hair, but look at the weather. Foggy and rainy. I'm glad I'm not doing my hair. Use this for my moisturizer. I usually use the Weleda, but I lost it. But I just ran out, so I need to go get more of this. I love this stuff. And then since it's raining, I think I'm just gonna put the tiger grass drops. It's just like a serum that makes your... I love it. I feel like it looks like I'm wearing moisturizer. I mean foundation, but I'm not. I got this a while ago and I never use it. Sephora has good lip liners. They're like butter. Like really pink. I still haven't found one that's like perfect for my lips. The closest is the Charlotte Tilbury, no, the Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut or whatever walnut. Oh my god, that was the best burrito ever. But I stepped on dog poop.
Yeah, it was bad.
It was bad. I mean, I was like tracking it.
It's okay, we caught it really early though.
Yeah. I told Sean I want to go to the museum ice cream, but apparently it's permanently closed.
I mean, they have one and it says it's in New York, Miami, Boston, Chicago, and Austin. So I guess we're getting on a plane.
I'm sure. Well, I wonder why they closed this one down.
Speaking of ice cream, do you want to go to Mitchell's?
Right now?
Yeah, I for real feel like ice cream now.
Are you pregnant?
Yeah.
We just had breakfast. by the way.
And I want ice cream.
Tengo miedo. Look at my hair. We're just strolling around the city on this lovely, lovely Saturday.
It's gonna be a good day.
Perfect. That's so cute. Oh, that's good.
No?
Yeah, it's like real. It's not no powder.
Oh, yeah. Maraschino? It's like a mix of their drinking chocolate and
Girl,
double espresso.
that's deadly.
Wow.
That's the strongest thing I've ever had.
Me too.
That'll wake you up.
Me too. Wow.
Take another sip.
Why do I come on?
It's really good though. It's like really good espresso.
Cool.
Dude, that's insane. I was not expecting that.
Me neither. That is okay. Have another sip.
There's no way.
Have another sip.
Babe.
You'll feel something.
No, I won't. I promise. I won't even go from being awake. I'll go to being like, and I'll like think I'm having a heart attack or something. No, there was a part we were about to leave. Did you break your cord? Damn, he's strong. Okay, I'm gonna have another sip. Just look. I'm scared.
Just go. Come on. Get it going.
This is a mochaccino. Shit.
Good?
Yeah, it's good. Everything here is so like, the chocolate is so authentic. And the coffee is so strong. It's so bold. So mixed together, it's like, whoa. Even the hot chocolate's like really bold.
Yeah.
We're walking to Aristocrat.
Article?
Aristocrat! Dude, I don't know. I always forget. It's so good, you guys. They have the best coffee, the best croissant. And it's Sunday. It's raining outside.
It's actually kind of fun
But it's
today.
not cold. Oh, it doesn't really feel cold.
Yeah, it doesn't feel cold. Feels good.
Maybe we just really warmed up.
I kind of just love the rain today.
It feels good.
Yeah.
I just got these towels from Target. My sister put me on. She says it's helped clear her acne, so I wanted to try it. Got some toilet paper. Charmin, woo! The best kind. Febreze, the best deodorant ever. It doesn't irritate the skin. This body scrub, it smells so good. Again, my sister put me on. It smells so good. And just the best hand soap.